Today we're in Holliston, Mass at 20 Skyview Terrace, an expanded cape, and I think you're going to be surprised at how spacious this home is. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're at a beautiful new listing in Holliston, Mass, which has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 2,000 square feet of living area, a large eating kitchen, and I can't wait to show you the spacious family room. And look at this large, level backyard. My favorite part of 20 Skyview Terrace is this first floor primary suite. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate, and thank you for touring this wonderful home with us today. If you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, please feel free to reach out.